Yes, good morning, beta. Today we are going to start revision of exercise 2.3. 2.4 we have done yesterday. In that exercise 2.4 we have done the division. Okay, so you all know that whenever you have to remove the division sign, you have to change division to multiplication, and you will make reciprocal of the second term. First term will be same. You will always make the reciprocal of the second term. In this exercise 2.3, you will do multiplication 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Yes, it's wrong. 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Of means multiply. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4. Answer is 1 by 16. 6 को dark करो बच्चे. It's not visible. It's 1 by 16. Yes, Drishti.
Ma'am, can I tell the next answer?
Yes, yes.
3 by 20.
3 by 2.
Ma'am, 20.
Okay. Okay, start next part. Do one part of one question. Actually, all are same, na? So do only one part or 2 part of the one question. Only 2 parts. Either bache, right in the center. First part में 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, फिर 1 by 4 of second term, फिर 1 by 4 of the third. 3 parts हैं. वो नीचे वाला second question है. A रिमूव करो, ये नहीं आएगा. A नहीं लिखना, नंबर लिखो. 1 by 7 of means multiply. Of means multiply. Of means multiply. Yes. Write it properly how you have written 2. Nine sevens up. 9 sevens up. 7 nines up. 63. You have written 23. Next. No. Next question. Second question. हाँ कर दो first part. Yes. ये क्या किया आपने? आंसर क्या आ रहा है? 1 7/9. Yes, do first two part of each and every question. Clean the board first. Put one line, put line and then start next question. Question number 2, second part. चलो गुनीत. थर्ड क्वेश्चन का फर्स्ट पार्ट करो. थर्ड क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट पार्ट. थोड़ी सी सेंटर में हो. हाँ. Yes, any doubt in this question? All are same. You have to just change mixed fraction to improper, then you have to multiply. And in case of multiplication, you always have to cancel out the terms. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Do next question. Yes. Done. Clean both the questions. बच्चे ये कैंसिल हो रहा है. हाँ जी. 9 1 जा 9, 9 5 जा 45. ये गलत की है. 5 5 जा 25, 2 आ गया. 20 + 2 22 आ रहा है यहाँ पर. ये गलत है. डिवाइड दोबारा करो. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन रॉन्ग है. डू इट अगेन. डिवीजन दोबारा करो यहाँ सेंटर में. बेटा ये 24 है. ये तो डिवाइड हो ही नहीं सकता. 5 पे नहीं डिवाइड होगा, 4 पे डिवाइड होगा. यहाँ करो डिवाइड. Which question you are doing? इसमें कटिंग हो रही है ऊपर वाले में. नीचे वाले में कटिंग करके क्या आ रहा है? 3 1 जा 3 आएगा. अब 3 और 1 को प्लस कर रहे हो. ऑफ मीन्स क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लाई. बेटा टेक बिग चौक, इसको दो जरा, चौक लो यहां से आप। ऊपर वाले में कटिंग करो, इसकी कटिंग हो रही है। टू 24 है बेटा, you are dividing 224 with 45. If it is 225, that is completely divisible. 4 करो, rub it, write it 4. टू से कटिंग हो रही है, 2 3 जा, लिखो 3 आएगा, नीचे वाले में 14 आएगा। अब आपने इसमें से डिसाइड करना है विच वन इज ग्रेटर, 3/14 या 3/8। आता है आपको कैसे ग्रेटर है? Go to your seat. Yes, after solving these two terms, you have got 3/14, and from here you have got 3/8. Which one is greater? How you will decide? So there are two ways, either to take LCM or cross multiply. 8 3s are, yes, जिसका छोटा denominator that will be greater, वो भी कर सकते हो। इसको इसे multiply करके 42. This one is greater, and this is the answer of which part? 3/5 of 5/8 is greater than 2/7 of 3/4. Is it okay? So you have to write the answer in the form of original question. Do the second part. Do second part of this question. Come. Do next part. Don't sit free. Do question. Decide which one is greater among these by doing cross multiplication. Hurry up. Which one is greater by cross multiplication? You have to verify this. Yes, which one is greater between 1/7 and 2/8?
2/8.
2/8. You can cancel out 2/8. It will be 1/4. So 1/4 and 1/7. Cross multiply 4, 7. 7 is greater. So this one is greater. Means 2/8 is greater than 1/7. Cross multiply. 9 3s are 27. 4 2s are 8. This is greater. So this one is greater. Cross multiply. 18 5s are, sorry, 15 8s are 15 8s are क्या होता है 120. 9 7s are 63. ये 120, ये 63. This one is greater. Okay. Do next. Question number 4 completed from the book. Question number 5 is there. Yes. What? Okay, start the statement sum. Question number 5. Guni, chalo. Okay, Prabnoor. Chalo. Start fifth question, that is statement sum. Yes, write the statement completely and note one thing. If while writing the statement you are using wrong operation, if you have to add in the question but you are doing multiplication or division, then you will not get marks for the statement also. Agar operation hi wrong hai, then no marks will be given. So drop kar do sara. And be sure about the statement. Whatsoever statement you are writing, it is in the correct way. If it is not correct, if operation is not correct, then no marks will be given. Chahe statement correct hai, then also you will not get any marks. Write the statement, read out the question. Likho. क्या कर रहे हो? मैंने आपको बोला क्वेश्चन को रीड करके आपने स्टेटमेंट बनानी है. Sally plant 4 sapling in a row in her garden. The distance between the two adjacent sapling is 3/4. Means दो sapling के बीच का distance जो है 3/4 है. So you have to write in this form. Go. Distance between two saplings is 3/4. And you have to find the distance between the first and the last sapling. कितने sapling है? 1 2 3 4 है टोटल. 4 है ना? 4 है ना टोटल क्वेश्चन में. इन दोनों का डिस्टेंस जो है वो 3/4 है. इन दोनों का जो डिस्टेंस है ये भी 3/4 है. इनका डिस्टेंस भी 3/4 है. Now what is the distance between the first and the last? You will add all these or you can multiply 3/4 with 3. 3 बार आ रहा है ना सेम नंबर. तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट इज 3 times 3/4 or you can add 3/4 3 times. It's up to you. You can either multiply 3 with 3/4 or you can add 3/4 3 times. Answer will be 9/4. That is 2 1/4. Mixed fraction 2 1/4. Do the next question. Do next question. Yes, who will read out the statement? Yes, Arshia, read out the next statement. Yes. The time spent for reading for 1 day is given. She read the book for 6 days. How many hours did she spend? So you will multiply. Time spent in 1 day is equal to 3/4. 1 3/4. Time spent for 1 day, time spent for 6 days. Write down. Time spent for 1 day, time spent for 1 time spent for 6 days. Solve it and get the answer. 10 1/2 hours.